Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect products from Zendrop to Shopify. We will begin by linking your Zendrop account directly to your Shopify store, a crucial first step for any dropshipping business. Then, we will walk through the simple process of finding and importing desired products. Finally, you will learn how to customize these product listings and publish them, making them ready for your customers to purchase. The first step is to link your Zendrop and Shopify accounts. Begin by navigating to the Shopify App Store and installing the Zendrop application. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Zendrop credentials. This action will securely authorize the connection, allowing both platforms to communicate seamlessly. You can confirm the successful integration directly on your Zendrop dashboard. Now that your accounts are linked, it is time to import products. Explore the vast Zendrop catalog to find items that align with your store's niche. With a single click, add your chosen products to your import list. Take a moment to review all product details, including pricing, descriptions, and available variants. Once satisfied, push these products directly to your Shopify store. The final step involves customizing and publishing your imported products. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, where you will find all the items you just pushed from Zendrop. Here, you can refine titles, descriptions, and images to match your brand's aesthetic. Adjust pricing, manage inventory, and set up collections. Once everything looks perfect, simply publish the products to make them visible and purchasable on your online store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.